Today's video takes a closer look at two fun and versatile kitchen companions, the DASH Multimaker mini system and the Mini Waffles Maker with 8 removable plates. Both are compact, family-friendly appliances that bring creativity to every breakfast table. The DASH Multimaker stands out with its cheerful aqua design and thoughtful versatility, while the Mini Waffles Maker delivers more options with extra plates and a sleek black finish. These small waffle makers may look simple, but they pack impressive features that make cooking quick, fun, and effortless. From classic waffles to heart-shaped treats and even donuts, both appliances aim to turn everyday meals into delightful experiences for kids and adults alike. The DASH Multimaker mini system is a 4-in-1 breakfast powerhouse designed to make mornings easier. It includes 6 removable 4-inch plates, allowing users to create classic waffles, heart-shaped waffles, sunflower patterns, or use the griddle plates for eggs, sausages, or even mini burgers. The appliance is extremely user-friendly. Just plug it in, wait for the indicator light, and start cooking. Its PTFE nonstick surface ensures perfect waffles every time and makes cleanup simple. The removable plates are dishwasher-safe, adding to its practicality. This model also comes with a storage case, a recipe guide, and a 1-year warranty, making it a complete breakfast system in one compact package. The DASH Multimaker isn't just functional, it's also stylish and efficient, perfect for families who want variety without cluttering the counter. Next is the Mini Waffles Maker with 8 removable plates, another strong contender in the mini breakfast category. This compact appliance offers 4 unique cooking styles: traditional waffles, heart waffles, donuts, and pancakes, each with 2 plates included, for a total of 8. It's designed for convenience and speed, creating perfectly golden waffles in just 3 minutes. The automatic temperature control ensures consistent results, while the preheating indicator light helps users know exactly when it's time to pour the batter. Compact and easy to store, this mini waffle maker fits beautifully in small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. The 4.5-inch nonstick surface makes both cooking and cleaning effortless. Just wipe it down after use. It's a wonderful choice for families who love experimenting with different treats but don't have much space to spare. Both models excel in performance and design, but each serves a slightly different need. The DASH Multimaker focuses on a clean, all-in-one experience with a sturdy build, dishwasher-safe plates, and a practical storage case. It's perfect for those who value neatness and reliability. On the other hand, the Mini Waffles Maker with 8 plates wins in flexibility, offering more variety for those who like to mix up their breakfast routine: pancakes one day, donuts the next. Its faster heating time and automatic temperature control give it a slight edge for busy mornings. In the end, both waffle makers prove that size doesn't determine power. They bring fun, flavor, and creativity to every kitchen, making breakfast something to look forward to. Whether for families, students, or anyone who loves a quick homemade snack, these mini makers are proof that great things truly come in small packages.